What's going on YouTube? This is your friend CryptoSide coming back again with an update on the position size calculator I created a few weeks ago. Now, as you can see, we have a leverage block on the right side, and what this is showing you is the potential profit and the potential risk size that you can have on a position while using leverage. Now, for leverage, I'm using Bybit. Bybit is a really cool and easy to use exchange, and they offer leverage. You can go long and you can go short on Bitcoin, which is great because you can make money even if Bitcoin goes up or down. And to show you an example, let me go to TradingView, and first let's see what Bitcoin's been doing to give you a more wide idea. Bitcoin is being, as you can see on this, inside this descending triangle. So I identify a few levels to help me with my decision. The first one that I'm going to point out is this trend line over here acting as resistance, and this one over here at the bottom, this big one acting as support, and also this level over here acting as support. So zooming in, this is the 4-hour chart, okay? So zooming in, let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, this trend line over here acting as resistance, these two, okay? And this also this trend line over here acting as support. So what the price has been doing, it got rejected on this trend line. It was being supported by this trend line over here. As you can see, it went below that level and it went back to it again and retested and acted as resistance. Now it was support, now it's resistance. So zooming in, I'm looking at the candle close, the 4-hour candle close. So this top over here, the highest candle close, I throw in a line and it's being retested 3 times and it closed below it. So that right there, it's making me feel like I have a better probability in going short and going all the way to one of these levels over here. This level I picked because the price bounced from here. It did clean. It did a clean close below it, but and then these candles they closed below that level for a while. It closed below. I'm sorry, above, then below, and then it went back up. So I am thinking that this level over here will act as support again. So let's go ahead and find our short position tool. Let's say the price is right here, what, 366. This is close enough. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one as a target, and then for the stop loss, I'm gonna put it just a little bit higher than the highest wick than this one. So you can put the stop loss just a little bit above that wick right there, or go to the next candle. See if I can zoom out better. Go to this candle over here and put it just above of it. Now, one thing, since this trend line is acting as resistance now, still have room to go there. So just to be on the safe side, let's just put it over here, right? And this will be our first stop. Why? Because this trend line now is acting, it acted as resistance, okay? Now it's acting as support. So with this support over here plus this support over here, I think I have, it gives me a good feeling that the price might stop there. But if it closes below that, my second target will be this one right here. So how do I use this? Let's go to the calculator now that I identify what I want to trade. So my entry level is 361, so go to the calculator and I'm going to put 10 361. My stop loss is at 10,518, and then I'm gonna put in the calculator stop loss 10,518. Okay, so I have an account size of $1,000, and what I want to risk is 1%. You can risk whatever you want, so you can put it over here. You can put 3%. You can put, you can put over here 5% if you want. Whatever your risk is. Mine is 1. Okay, so this will tell me how many, what position size, how many Bitcoin I can buy. And this over here will show the amount in dollars. Right, so on this side over here for the targets, I'm going to put my total distance, which is 3.77. So I go over here, and then on the target I'm going to put minus 3.77. And it's calculate that. It's going to show you a 4 because it's going to round it up, but it's actually at 3.77. Something that you notice is that it has a minus in front of the number, is because the target is below the entry. So since my target is below the entry, I have to put a minus. If I don't put a minus, it will put the target above the entry, and that's to go long. Since we're going short, we put a minus and then 3.77. And as I mentioned in the past video, I like to find, look for 1, 2, 3 risk reward setups. So this is why I have my targets split in 3. So it's gonna give me where I should take profit numbers wise to be even on what I'm risking. Okay, so if I go to the chart, if I go back over here, it will tell me that at 10,232 it should be my first target. 10,232 is around 10,232, around there. Right? That's just to give you an example. Okay, but now that we put all these numbers in the position, now we're using Bybit, and let's say I want to do 5x leverage. So in my position calculator, I'm going to put here where it says leverage in yellow, I'm going to put a 5. I'm going to hit enter, and that's going to give me the potential profit and the potential risk now. Okay, at the beginning with 1%, I'm risking with $1,000 account size, $10. But now, since I'm doing 5 times, my risk is $50. This part over here that you can see at the bottom is something that I created to show you where the stop loss is to just do the original risk size. So if my entry is at 10,361, once I reach 10,392, I'm already losing 1% of my account size, which in this it will be $10 in this particular example. So it is the same for long positions. If I'm going long, where my stop loss will be from my entry, right? So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please go ahead and comment below, give me a like, find me on Twitter. I answer real quick over there. And one thing that I want to say, always trade the chart, right? Always trade the chart, not the tool. Even though I always like to find 1-to-3 ratio, these targets over here they don't mean that these are the actual targets that looks good and are the right targets for in the chart. You know what I mean? Hopefully you do. And like I said, guys, if you like the video, please go ahead and comment. And I'm gonna put a link in the description so you can download it and all this for free. What I'm trying to do is I want everybody to be a great trader. See you in the next one.